Alright, welcome back to episode number 2 of How Far Will It Drag? Today's special guest is this book. I thought it was a Twilight book, which is why I got it, but I was kind of looking at the cover and it says written by the author of Twilight, so it's probably not a Twilight book. Or written by the same person, probably the same stuff. So we're going to take this and see how far it drags. Come on. Alright, once again today we'll be deploying the longboard as our weapon of choice. Here's our book, and we'll be tying it up with this red wire. So as usual, the wire will get tied up to here. Camera will be pointed off the back, and we'll take it down the road that is 450 feet long and see how many times it takes to obliterate the book. Alright, so I got the cord, ran through the book, right through the middle, tied the knot off to the corner, that way it tumbles around a little bit. I figured if I tied it in the middle, it'd just drag forever on this hardcover book. So it's tied off to the corner, should bounce around. Right down the road here from the 450 foot long road, and we'll take it down, back and forth down that road as far as it'll go. Here we go. Alright, here's the first 450 feet. Yeah. So first 450 feet, just tore up the cover. This might actually take longer than I thought. Let's go. A little bit busier today, but there goes the cover. I'll just take it all off. There's the cover. That's probably only a third of the way down, back down this street, so it's actually starting to tear into it. Let's go. I'll turn this around. Alright, that's 1,350 feet. Probably gonna lose the cover soon, so keep going. All right, halfway down that one, it actually flipped over. I think probably because this grabbed. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it back over, and we'll just drag it on the one side to get a better, more accurate reading. All right, wow, this book is tough. So that's 2 more laps, and it's not doing anything. This book's resilient, so I'm gonna give it. Alright, so at this point the GoPro had lost a bit of footage. We ended up tearing off that front cover after about 10 laps, and here I was just stating that fact, that we had gone 10 laps until we lost the front cover, and then we had gone 20 complete laps before we were finally able to tear through any legible pages in that book, or pages with story on it. So it took a lot longer than I expected. We're at 20 laps here, and we'll keep going. The goal is to rip the book completely apart. There's a twofer. We lost the cover and the title page on that last lap back there, which I believe was 26.5. So, okay. Let's keep going. So unfortunately, we lost a bit of footage from today's experiment. You know, what can be expected? We were filming for so long out here dragging this book around that, you know, the GoPro was getting hot and losing a bit of that footage. But, you know, the book ended up going about 40 laps before it ever even tore in half, and that wire literally just tore through the binding. I don't have the footage of it, but after about 40 laps, I'll put it up on the screen here how far that distance was, and I was just at it for probably about an hour, just zooming up and down the street trying to tear this book apart. You know, it wore me out. So I guess this is how the video is going to end. Just enjoy some footage on your way out. If you haven't already, like and subscribe this video. Subscribe for more content like this, and if you're interested in seeing something drug that you haven't seen before, go ahead and leave it in the comments below and we'll try and do that. Thanks again for watching, everybody. Have a good day and peace out.